Hello everyone, it's me Manmeet. I would like to give a brief account on the formation of embryo sac with the help of diagrams. It is quite interesting and hope you all enjoy. It's about megasporogenesis with ovules differentiate a single microspore mother cell in the micropolar region of the nucellus. It's a large cell containing dense cytoplasm and prominent nucleus. The megaspore mother cell is a diploid cell and it undergoes reductional division. Reductional division results in the formation of megaspore dyad and it is haploid in nature. Each cell of megaspore dyad undergoes equational division and it results in the formation of megaspore tetrad. One of the megaspore is functional while the other three degenerates. Only the functional megaspore develops into the female gametophyte. The nucleus of functional megaspore undergoes 3 successive mitotic divisions. The cells move towards the opposite poles and at the end of mitosis, 2 daughter cells are formed. The resultant 2 cells enter mitosis and it results in the formation of 4 daughter cells. These 4 daughter cells again undergo mitosis and results in the formation of 8 daughter cells. These mitotic divisions are free nuclear. After 8 nucleated stages, cell wall is laid down leading to the organization of typical female gametophyte. 6 of the 8 nuclei are surrounded by the cell wall and are organized into cells. The remaining 2 nuclei called polar nuclei are situated below the egg apparatus in the large central cell. 3 cells are grouped together in the micropolar end and constitute egg apparatus. The egg apparatus in turn consists of 2 synergids and 1 egg cell. The synergids have special cellular thickening at the micropolar depth called filiform apparatus. It plays an important role in guiding the pollen tube into the synergids. 3 cells are at the chaliceal end and are called the antipodals. The large central cell consists 2 polar nuclei, thus a typical angiosperm embryo sac at maturity possesses 8 nucleated 7-celled condition.